Hi and welcome to Lucrative Cash Flow. This is your man Rookie here, and what I'm going to do today is show you how. Well, actually, we're going to be downloading and installing a new Ethereum account through MetaMask, which we'll be able to receive, send, and swap Ethereum. But as you can see, I've got my Google browser here, and I've already got a MetaMask account set up here, as you can see. But what I want to do is, well, since I can't record or I can't install another account on my Chrome, I can, in a previous video that I've got on my channel, I show you how you can set up an account, an extra account. If you're running Chrome, you've already installed MetaMask. There's a video there which shows you how to actually do that, thanks to Mike Klinger. But so I just checked this morning and to see whether I can load one up in Firefox. So that's exactly what we're going to try and do right now. So here's Firefox here, and if I go to the add-ons for Firefox, I've never done this before, so yeah, this is all new. And we're going to go and find MetaMask. We enter MetaMask. There it is. MetaMask. Okay, so let's just add this extension to Firefox and just go through this whole process. And it requires your permission. Okay, add. Okay, got it. Allow this extension to run in private windows. Okay, got it. Okay, got it. What happened there? We didn't even extend it. Let's just do this again. Now let's just remove it and go through maybe, well, I've already added it. There you go. How quick was that? There it is. Welcome to MetaMask, connecting you to Ethereum and the decentralized web. Absolutely, we're happy to see you. So am I. Check this Fox out. Ooh, I reckon that's the coolest thing for any extension watch. See it? Anyway, let's get on with it. Look at that. That's pretty cool, eh? This way, that way, anyway. So let's get started. So we're doing all this on Firefox, okay? So now I already have a seed phase. Let's get it set up. This will create a new wallet and seed phase. Okay, so now let's just create a new wallet and let it create the seed phase for us. Seed phase. Seed phase. Okay. Help us improve MetaMask. MetaMask would like to gather users' data to better understand how our users interact with the extension. This data will be used to continue to improve the usability and users' experience of our product and the Ethereum ecosystem. MetaMask will 1. Always allow you to opt out via settings, send anonymized, anonymized, anyway. Click and page view events. It never collects key addresses, transaction balances, hashes, any personal information. Never collect your full IP address. Sell data for profit. Oh, that's pretty cool. So yes, I agree. I agree right there. Okay, password, 8 characters. So I'm going to blur this out so you guys won't see it later. Use a secure generated password. So we'll use that one. There you go. Just gave me a password. Probably gave another million other people the same password so we all can jump into their MetaMask and get money and get... No. Okay, here we go. I better save that just in case. Copy. I'm just going to copy that to my pad. Over here. Done. Copy. Okay, create. Let's create. Bump. Set up phase. Remind me later. Click to reveal secret words. Well, there you go. Okay, your secret back... Okay, you're seeing my secret page, but I'm going to delete this. It doesn't really matter. Your secret backup phase makes it easy to back up and restore your account. Warning. Never disclose this backup phase. Anyone with this phase can take your ether forever. Okay? Warning. It says never disclose your backup phrase. So don't give it to anybody. Don't even give it to no one. Don't give it to family or friends and say, here's my phrase, can you look after it? No. What you do is just copy it. Copy. Paste it somewhere. Okay. doing. And now you can either put it in a folder, put it in a put it anywhere you want. Just don't lose it. Okay? And don't share it. Alright, let's go. So, confirm your backup phrase. Alright, so I've got to put it in the order that I received it. So it's received this way. Fuel, way, online, lucky, nice, proud, yes, brave, romance, deposit, hang on, no, romance, inform, now deposit, today coyote, deposit, today coyote. That's the phrase. Okay, confirm. Congratulations, you passed the test. Keep your seed phrase safe. It's your responsibility. Thank you for reminding me of that. Listen, here's a warning. I heard that somebody had their phrase and lost it, and they had something like 200 Bitcoin. How's that? 200 Bitcoin. Not to this, to some other wallet, but they lost it. And they're just screaming because they don't know the phrase. So don't do that. Here we go. It's all done. Okay, token swapping is here. You can now swap tokens directly in a MetaMask wallet. MetaMask swaps combines, multiplies decentralized exchange aggregators, professional market makers, and individual dexes to ensure MetaMask DEXs to ensure MetaMask users always get the best price with the lowest network fees. Liquidity sources include Uniswap, Total, Paraswap, Dex, AG, AirSwap, and so forth and so forth. Thank you for swapping. Want to learn more? But not right now. Swap. There we go. No, advance. So ETH, if I had. So ETH, I can swap to swap, Lakeside, DAI, stablecoin. I can swap for all these coins. Really cool, isn't it? On here, on my mask. Okay, I like that. But no. Let's just cancel the swap out of here. Oh, here we go. So, okay, so we've got our little, where's my account here? Now while you're here, I'm just going to show you how we actually create another account. So this is my original account and it's called account 1, and there's right there, basically that's my address for this, for set. So it's all set up now, pretty cool. And here's the extension up here. Lovely. That's great. So I'll do another MetaMask run through and another video. And that was pretty simple. So now I've got 2 MetaMask accounts. One's on my Chrome and one here on Firefox. That's pretty cool. And okay, so like I said, while we're here, I'm going to set up another account. And let's just create another account. Let's just call that account 1. So we'll create another account. And let's just call this another account. Oh, here we go. We'll call it another account 2. Create. And there you go. Another account 2. And we can buy. Cool. In other words, there's your address in which you get your ETH sent to, or we can send. Okay. And swap, like we just saw before. So that's it, folks. That's how you set up MetaMask in your Firefox browser. And I hope you have a great day. And that's